All clothes are made up of seams, but these clothes are not what they seem. After designing streetwear for 4 years and studying the art of tailoring in two, how do you stand out from the rest of the industry? Well, first, you find the best quality. Second, you integrate sustainability into all of your designs. And third, you give the people a taste of the future, inspire a new way of thinking, and show them that anything is possible. Sustainability with a hit of streetwear. Let's create clothes that function in more than one way while inspiring people to push their limits. All clothes are made up of seams, but these clothes are not what they seem.